here to this Coonoor, the famous hill station of South India. First of all, very less known amongst the tourists. My auto wala Welcome people, what's up? So I'm currently shooting from Hyderabad and I hope you guys have enjoyed your Christmas and New Year so well. I know बहुत जगह का night curfew लग गया था. There were so many plans got messed up, but I hope आपने कोई ना कोई तो जुगाड़ लगा ही ली होगी. मैंने भी कुछ जुगाड़ लगाई थी. So I made my Christmas and New Year so good. Coming back to the topic about this video. So get ready to cover nearby places from Ooty with me. Mainly Coonoor, situated at an altitude of 1800 meter above sea level. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about many interesting things like complete guide to toy train and how perfectly you can spend your one day in Coonoor. Along with that, budget details, places to see, best weather or best time, and mainly how you can avoid being fooled in the new city where you have a language problem. So we're gonna cover all these things, so do watch this video till the end so you guys can collect as much information as you would look forward to. By the way, day 1 and day 2 Ooty itinerary is already out on my channel, so do check it out, that video. And if you are new to my channel, be a part of my travel journey and by being my awesome subscriber. Enough talking, let's keep rolling. The Nilgiri hill station is famous for their lush green surroundings, and notable among them, which one is very famous hill station in South India in Tamil Nadu, is called Coonoor. It is 19 kilometers away from the Ooty and is famous for massive tea plantations, waterfalls and some silent valley viewpoints. This South Indian hill station is easily accessible from air, road and rail. Well, keeping that in mind, I decided to travel Coonoor via train, which is very famous train. It's called Toy Train, and the return journey I did via bus. So let's talk about my experience regarding the toy train ride. This train is connected to Mettupalayam and Coonoor. The first train from Ooty to Coonoor departs at 9:15 am and last train departs at 5:30 in the evening. This train covers 19 kilometers of journey in around 1 hour 15 minutes. So this train covers several stations such as Lovedale, Kitty, Aravankandu, Wellington and lastly Coonoor. Talking about my experience about this toy train, so honestly for initial 30 minutes I really enjoyed so much about this the scenic valley view, sitting in an old engine style, moving slowly through the tunnels, and uske baad at a certain point I was like, okay yaar, abhi enough ho gaya, give this train a speed please. I would definitely recommend this to the visitor to go for one side toy train ride, and good for one-time experience actually. Finally, after completing an hour of journey, you will reach to Coonoor, one of the busiest tourist station, where the first thing that you guys can do is feed your yummy tummy with some delicious authentic South Indian food in this famous shop. I don't know, काफी crowded थी, so I just thought कि taste अच्छा होगा, so that there are so many people who are eating it, so you can see. Once you come out of the station, there will be so many guides and auto walas will come to you to let you know about the packages and the places to explore in a day, or based on the hours and the sightseeing that you guys wanted to cover. So I also had couple of things in my mind to explore in Coonoor before reaching there. So some of them are like Nilgiri's outlet, Catherine Waterfall, Sleeping Lady, Dolphin Nose, etc, etc. So I rented an auto ride for about 2.5 hours which costed me around 500 rupees. Trust me, this is one of the best deal that I've got. You can easily negotiate, and I would recommend you guys to go for auto or taxi option if you wanted to explore Kunur in a one day. Because of the reason that not everywhere buses will drop you, and it will take time for you to figure out in the city where you have a language barrier that कि कहाँ से local bus किधर जाती है, कहाँ से connect होती है, and last frequency क्या है, first bus कब निकलती है, last bus कब निकलती है. Well, I'll leave all the details of my auto wala bhaiya. Go get in touch and plan your sightseeing. Moving on to our segment on sightseeing or the things to do in Kunur. My first stop in Kunur was Singara Tea Estate or Singara Tea Garden. I was under the impression that South India is mainly famous for coffee drinkers or plantation, but this trip has completely changed my thought. Oh my god, look at this, such a massive tea plantation ground spread it across in 1,000 or more than 1,000 of acres. There is no opening and closing hours or entry fees as such. I would recommend to visit this in between 9 a.m. in the morning to 5:30 p.m. in the evening. So it is said that the Singara Estate Tea Plantation is owned by Mayur Madhwani, who is the husband of famous film actress Mumtaz. You click lot of pictures, shoot yourself, and enjoy the green sloping tea plantations spread across at vast expanse. My second spot was Karanchi Waterfall, very less known amongst the tourists. My auto wala bhaiya told me that this is a really good spot. You should surely capture this place and share with the public to know more about it so that they can also come and visit to this Karanchi Waterfall. My third spot was Nilgiri's factory outlet, one of the interesting things that I have seen or covered in this Kunur trip. I had a really fun and knowledgeable experience here, and one should definitely go for it.
अभी ऊटी घूम के आना ना, और रास्ते पे आपको बड़ा-बड़ा पेड़ वगैरह मिलेगा, वो सब नीलगिरी पेड़ बोलता है. ये यूज का पता है. बिग साइड एक संविधान वगैरह यूज करता है ना, सारा चीज इस पे ही मैन्युफैक्चर करके आता है. टोटली हम लोग 12 वैरायटी तेल इधर मैन्युफैक्चर करता है. पहले एक वैरायटी कैसे मैं बोल रहे, सारा चीज सेम प्रोसेसिंग है. लीफ वगैरह अलग-अलग से चेंज करता है उतना ही. ये क्या करेगा मानो दूध में डाल के फुल ड्राई करता है. मिनिमम 300 केजी पत्ता अंदर डालेगा, डाल के पानी भर के ऊपर फुल मट्टी के साथ सील करके नीचे फर्नेस रहता है, इसके अंदर 180 डिग्री से उबालता है. उबालने के टाइम आपको 6 घंटे के ऊपर एक स्टीम होता है, उस स्टीम पे ही तेल आएगा, ऊपर से एक पाइप आ रहा ना, उस पे ही निकल के आता है. इस तरफ आने के बाद वो ज्यादा हीट पड़ना तो ऑयल वैपोरेट होता है, नहीं तो ग्लास बस्ट हो जाएगा. इसलिए इस पे पानी भर के ठंडी करता है. ये ठंडी करने के बाद आपको तेल और पानी दोनों भी निकल के इस पर आ जाएगा. पानी का डेंसिटी थोड़ा ज्यादा रहता है ना, इसलिए नीचे जाता है, तेल ऊपर आता है. नीचे जाने के पानी एयर पाइप के साथ बाहर चल जाएगा, वो तेल वगैरह अंदर ही रहेगा. वो निकाल के हम लोग नीलगिरी तेल बनता है. वो जनरल यूज वाली है, खांसी सर्दी जुकाम सीजन वगैरह होता है ना, उसके लिए यूज होता है.
So I learned about the famous oil extractions and importance of product knowledge.
ये ऑर्गेनिक वाली चाय पे एकदम फर्स्ट क्वालिटी चाय बोलते हैं ना, फर्स्ट वो निकाल के पीने के बाद और दो वाली चाय पी जाएगा. ये हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. स्वीट इसमें कुछ ऐड नहीं है, नींबू डाला है. मसाला चाय इसके अंदर लौंग इलायची दालचीनी सब मिला हुआ है. इसका बिल्कुल एक्सपायरी नहीं है, कितनी साल भी रख के यूज कर सकते हैं. ग्रीन टी आपको सेकंड वाली दी है ना, वो मसाला टी है, इसके अंदर लौंग इलायची दालचीनी सब मिला हुआ है. ये चाय पत्ती दूध शक्कर तीनों भी इकट्ठा डाल के एक ही साथ उबालने का है. ये वाली चॉकलेट टी है, इसके अंदर कोको दाना होता है ना, सीड्स, वो मिक्स किया है. ये प्योर दूध में बना तो अच्छी फ्लेवर मिलेगा, हॉट चॉकलेट है. ये जिंजर वाली है, ये 2-in-1 है. ब्लैक टी भी बना के पी सकते हैं, दूध में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. जिंजर पत्ता भी पाउडर भी मिला हुआ है. ये इलायची वाली है, सिर्फ इलायची का चाय है. ये सादी चाय पे नॉर्मल वाली है, ज़्यादा कड़क वाली चाय. ये लिकर वाली चाय बोलता ना, ब्लैक टी, उसके लिए पीने वाली चाय.
क्या रेट है इसका?
मैडम ग्रीन टी 600 रुपये होता है मैडम. मसाला टी 210 का है.
कितना है ये?
500 ग्राम के मैडम.
ओके 500 ग्राम्स का चॉकलेट।
हाँ सारा आधा केजी का ही है।
ओके
ये आपको चॉकलेट वाली 200 रुपये है, जिंजर वाली 190, इलायची 200, सादी वाली चाय आपको 170 का है, वो 200 रुपये प्योर रहेगा, इसलिए हम लोग चेक करके बता रहे हैं। थोड़ा सा मिक्स करना तो रुमाल जो जलेगा वास तो लगाएगा। ये प्योर मिली तेल है, इसलिए हम लोग जला के बता रहे हैं। ओरिजिनल तेल तो आपको तेल ही चलते, कपड़ा नहीं जलेगा। सुनना तभी ओरिजिनल नहीं रहेगा, खुशबू आना चाहिए, वही ओरिजिनल तेल है। सर्दी जुकाम वगैरह होता है ना उसके लिए।
You see how sweetly he explained me about all the products, and those chai tastes were amazing. Especially masala chai. Guys, please buy it if you wanted to buy. So he expected from me to buy at least something, but मुझे नहीं लेना था यार. So but लेकिन आप लोग ज़रूर लेना. It was really good.
हाइबिस्कस का हेयर ऑयल है, बाल में हेयर फॉल उसके लिए यूज होता है। ये सिटी डोरा, ये बाल में कौन सा वाला एलर्जी है तो भी यूज कर सकते हैं। हेयर फॉल, हेयर ग्रोथ।
Moving on to our fourth spot, that is Dolphin Nose. By the name, I was so excited to see this place because you get a chance to see Great Valley viewpoint plus graceful Catherine waterfall and Kotagiri streams on the other side. But unfortunately, because of the fog and misty weather, I didn't get a chance to see all these things, but to compromise myself with my presence only. Situated at an altitude of 1500 meter above sea level, the place opens on all days from 9 am to 6 pm. Now why it is called as Dolphin Nose? Because of this shape you see. Well, I really wish I could see some extremely great grand views, but hard luck, but it's okay. Moving on to fifth spot, roam around in the city, in the local market to understand the vibe of the city culture. Well, yeah, that's it. So some facts and things I would like to tell you regarding my experience to this Coonoor, the famous hill station of South India. First thing, talking about the right weather. November to February is not a right weather to visit Coonoor Hill Station because you will face high fog and misty weather, and that will leave you to explore limited places like what happened with me. I didn't see Lamb Rocks, Sleeping Lady, Catherine Waterfall, etc, etc. Second point is, second fun facts and things to remember while you visit to Coonoor is Tamil is the only highly main language that the local speaks. You may face some difficulty in communication, but that is not something that is a challenge to stop you to explore this beautiful hill station. Third facts, don't get trapped in the packages offered by the taxis and auto walas. Do negotiate and ask them for better price and the things that you actually wanted to explore, especially if they will actually take you to those listed spots. No matter what, just confirm with them. Fourth fact, don't pay for the petrol charges or the waiting charges, and ask about any other additional charges in terms of if you plan to extend your trip or the hours. Fifth fact and things to remember while you visiting to Coonoor is being a really good and peaceful place. You come solo, you come in a group, you come in a couple, you come with a family, you will definitely have fun for sure. Just to add on, I will release some best and authentic food places which I have covered in my visit to Coonoor. So that I will release in my separate video that will come with a name called Places to Eat in Coonoor and Ooty. So stay tuned. Many videos are lined up to make your travel happening on Ooty and Coonoor visit. So stick to this channel and don't miss out any information. If you have any suggestions or questions, do let me know in the comment section, so I'll respond to you or I'll read it for sure. Let's connect on Instagram for my frequent travel updates. With this, I am signing off, so I'll see you guys in my next release. Till then, travel safe, stay safe and explore the world with care. Bye. Salam.